make some rice. So I always make sure that I rinse my rice really well, at least 3 times. I do 2 cups of water for every cup of rice, and I bring the water up to a boil with tajilachi and salt. Boil it until it's halfway done, and then make sure your oven is on to 180 degrees. Rinse it out before you put it back into your pot with ghee, chili, onions, and then you want to rinse out a piece of wax paper and put it over so that it keeps the steam in. Close it with your lid of foil and then steam it in the oven for half an hour, 40 minutes. And you're done. That's it. Fluffy grains of rice. Enjoy!
Hey, Rodo, let's make some fried rice.
Yes, but let's make it super, super easy, like in a pot.
Okay, how about we use the instant rice and then we'll put the green peas, carrots, onions.
And then we'll do some garlic, some soy sauce, a little sesame oil, and we gotta add a little kick with some sriracha.
Gotta add some spice.
And then we'll cover it with some chicken broth.
Yes, that's perfect. And then it'll come to a boil and then we cover it and let it cook.
Yeah, and then when it's done, let's create like a little hole so we can add the eggs.
Yes, it's perfect. All in one pot. That's what's great about this.
It's perfect. And then we're gonna add a little butter.
For some creaminess.
Yes, and green onions, and we're gonna mix it together. I think we just created an easy takeout, Chinese
Perfect.
takeout.
Yeah,
like
that's what
that.
that is. That's awesome.
Yes.
Perfect.
Oh yeah.
So good.
Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect rice. Add your rice to a pot. Then rinse with cold water. Rinse till the water is clear. Again. And again. Place it on the stove on medium-high and let it come to a simmer for 5 minutes. Once all the water has evaporated, cover and let that steam for another 10 minutes. Take out the lid and you have perfect cooked rice ready.